Hi, this is Sukanya. I'm currently in my fifth year of IDDP. My bachelor's was in physics, and I'm doing my DDD in IUR. It also happens that I finished honors in physics. So that was about me. Let's get started with the questions. So I started thinking about it pretty late in my eighth semester. Right now, I don't think we should be doing that. Given the new rules, you might not even be able to apply or get through. Um, an ideal time to do it would be sometime in your third year. I mean, by the end of your third year, at the beginning of your fourth year, you should be clear about whether or not you want to convert and why do you want to do it. Okay, and why did I do it? It is because so in my final year, I had decided to apply to PhD programs in physics, but I dropped out last minute. I realized that that was not what I wanted to do in my life. And yeah, this realization came kind of late. But okay, anyway, so the reason why I decided to drop out was that I was interested in physics, but I was not passionate about it. Um, I was craving for some sort of interaction with people outside academia. I wanted to get involved with people in the government or industry, solve their problems, get to know them. And most of the projects that I had done in physics were not like that. It was mostly blue sky research, and that kind of put me down. So, uh, in my final year of bachelor's, I started looking for different fields that I could explore outside of physics, and IR was at the top of my list. So yes, I thought converting to IDDP was a good idea because I would get 1 year to explore the field, and it was the best of the options I had. So if not IDDP, what I would have done is probably taken up a project somewhere for a year in the institute or outside the institute. But I was kind of against it because IDDP is a good deal. I mean, you're getting to take courses in a particular field, you're getting a degree in it, you're also getting to do a master's project. So that kind of it does build your profile well if you plan to go ahead with the field and apply for a PhD. I think a degree can make a lot of difference. So IDDP was a good choice in that sense. Um, and even otherwise, if I were to apply to a new place outside of institute to do a project, I would have to spend some time getting to know the place, getting to know how things work there, and I was not really interested in wasting time on that. So I just wanted to continue in the institute where I was very comfortable with, and that's why IDDP seemed like a good choice. Okay. I think the benefits of IDDP are one, you get a degree, and it's a good deal because you're going to do it in just 1 year. It's a master's packed into a year, so you're going to save a lot of time definitely, and you're also getting to explore a new field outside of your own parent department, a field that you're interested in, a field that you might want to switch to later. So I think IDDP is a really good it's a really good option that we have in case you want to explore other fields. How is it different from dual degree program? It is not very different in the sense that we still get a stipend, we still have to TA. The only difference is that dual degree students do not have the option of choosing honors or non-honors track. So we can choose that. We can choose to take less number of courses, but dual guys have to do the required number of courses, which are way more than what without honors would allow us to would want us to do. So that's one benefit. I mean, it's very IDDP is more flexible than dual degree program, and obviously it's allowing you to explore a field outside your department. So they're two different things. And what should you keep in mind while making a decision? I think what matters are your interests, obviously. Just not just your interests, just also in addition to your interests, just also think about what you want to do after your IDDP. Like, what do you want to do in your life? Would you be okay working in that particular field all your life? Can you imagine yourself do that? So maybe just asking yourself a couple of tough questions about what you want to do should suffice, and yeah, make a decision based on that. Okay, in my case, I was not very familiar. I was just starting out, but I don't think that works always. Some departments want you to have a couple of courses done prior to changing to IDDP, and maybe also projects. So the actual requirements differ from department to department, and it's better you kind of find it out from the HOD of the department or other people who have done IDDP there. And does it help to be familiar with the department? Of course. I mean, the more familiar you are, the more confident you're going to be that you're making the right choice. So start exploring early. Keep an eye out for the different fields that are there in this institute. I mean, there are a lot of things that are going on that we don't really know about. So one thing that helped me do this is taking up writing. I thought it was, I kind of like, so I kind of do some sort of science writing. I try to cover research papers for the general public. So in that process, I get to explore a lot of papers from a lot of different departments, and I also enjoy talking to the researchers, the professors, and the PhD students who have done it. So I think that's kind of a nice way to do it. Other ways could be to just talk to people around you, look out for what is going on, and there's always a lot that is happening outside your department. So yeah. Okay, I'll answer the second question first. I did not have much of a choice. I had to go with the without honors option because I just had 1 year after I converted to IDDP. So that's why I didn't want to load myself with a lot of courses, and I don't think it was even possible to. So without honors, but a with honors option is not bad either. I mean, if you have a lot of time, you're kind of okay with exploring different courses, then why not take it? Yeah, it just depends on what you want and whether you have time or not. How do you choose your DDP guide? So what happened in my case was that I did a project with my DDP guide in my 4th year, and I enjoyed doing it. So after that, when it was time for me to choose the DDP topic, I kind of I googled for different topics that were there in the department, like looked at different research papers randomly, and made a list of topics that I might want to work on for my DDP, and then I floated these ideas by my professor, like my current DDP professor, and he was pretty open and supportive. So he was ready to help me connect. He was ready to connect me with any other professor in the department who might be doing work on the topics I had listed, and he also floated a couple of ideas from his side. And finally, I decided to work on a problem that he had suggested, and he was interested too in taking me. So that's how it worked in my case. In my case, I did not have much of administration issues. Like, once your IDDP application gets approved, I think you're done with the difficult part. After that, for me, it has been, I've not had any problems, so I don't really have any advice. In terms of courses and projects as well, I have been allowed to take whatever courses I want, so no major problem as such that I have seen. Okay, I think my experience was pretty satisfactory because I've decided to do a PhD in the field after all. I do like the department. I also like my guide. I like the way our interaction goes. So, and the courses that I took were also nice. I mean, it helped me explore the field which I wanted to do, which is the whole aim of converting to IDDP in the first place. So I think it was a good choice for me. Unfortunately, whole of last year was online, so I couldn't really interact with the other people in the department, so I don't really know any of them, except for a couple I worked on in course projects. So that's the sad part, so I cannot really comment on the peer group, but otherwise everything was good. I think I would just give you one tip. Start thinking early about what you want to do. Um, Now I think the rules have become stricter, so you have to apply by the end of your third year, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, thinking early does help. So and IDP I think is a very good option that we have. So giving it a thought, even if you don't want to convert, is a good thing. Um, and yeah, talk to people, talk to as many people as you can, people who have done IDPP, professors in the department, the HOD of the department, and see, gather as much information as you can and decide in the end. Yeah, I think those were all the questions. If you have anything that you would want to ask me further, you can ping me anytime. And thank you.